Do you think you know about parrots? Really know them? Past the polly-want-a-cracker and the pretty colors? Today, we're putting that knowledge to the ultimate test with 5 fascinating questions about parrot. Let's find out if you're a parrot pro or just a bird brain. The quiz starts now. Which of these is not a type of parrot? A. Macaw, B. Cockatoo, C. Parakeet, D. Sparrow. The answer is D. Sparrow. 2. What is the name of the largest flying parrot in the world? A. Scarlet macaw, B. Hyacinth, macaw, C. Kakapo, D. Sulfur-crested cockatoo. The answer is B. Hyacinth macaw. 3. The kakapo, a critically endangered parrot, is native to which country? A. Australia, B. Brazil, C. New Zealand, D. Madagascar. The answer is C. New Zealand. 4. What unique anatomical feature helps a parrot climb and hold food? A. Webbed feet, B. Opposable thumbs, C. Zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 back, D. Sharp claws. The answer is C. Zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 back. 5. Which of these foods is generally considered toxic or unhealthy for pet parrots? A. Bell peppers, B. Avocado, C. Cooked sweet potato, D. Brown rice. The answer is B. Avocado. If you had fun testing your knowledge, please comment your score, smash that like button to feed the algorithm, subscribe for more wild animal facts, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video.